Hi, this is Skip from Skip's Messy Workbench, and this is the first video, an introduction video, to a new group that I'm jumping in on. And that group is the Under 1,000 group build for those of us who have less than 1,000 subscribers. So I want to really send out appreciations to the two guys and the two channels that are sponsoring this group. One is Mike over at Mike's Model Shop, and the other is Rob over at Time Machines Scale Models. Guys, thank you very much for sponsoring this group build for us YouTubers who are under 1,000 subscribers. So I personally really appreciate it. So anyway, I'm in the middle of a build right now, actually, of two vehicles. If you've been watching my channel at all, you'll notice that I'm doing a 41 Chevy pickup and a 41 Plymouth Coupe. I've never done two models at the same time before, and I will never do it again, by the way. And the whole thing was that I was doing a pre-World War II thing, and my next model coming up was going to be a B-24 Liberator, only because the Ford Motor Plant in 1941 built a whole factory to build the Liberators, and the 41 pickup and the 41 Plymouth were actually then produced for war at time activities. So anyway, I'm getting off the subject here. So this is gonna, I picked a little bit different model this time around. What I picked was the 1941, I got 1941 on the brain. This is a 1954 Hornet. It's a Hudson Hornet Club Coupe from 1954. So I'm gonna give this one a try. I picked out this car because I was looking, and for some reason I got onto a Betty Boop kick. And I was wondering, I wonder what kind of car Betty Boop would drive in. And I actually did some research, and there are some out there, but for some reason when I saw this Hudson, Betty Boop came to mind. And so I'm going to do it. It's a little outside of what I normally do when I do cars, because I do cars and planes. But I normally do things pre-World War II. So this will be something different for me. So it's a Mobius kit, and that's another thing. I've never built a Mobius kit, so that'll be a first time for that. Looks like it's a 2019 issue of the kit, so it's a fairly new kit. I have the cellophane off of it, but I have not really opened the box yet. So we'll see what we can do with this little guy. And thanks again for starting this group build. I appreciate it, and I'm sure everybody else that's in the group does. So until then, and until I start this thing, I'm a slow model builder, you all know that, so I'm hoping 2 months is going to be enough, but I'll see whether it does. Anyway, hey, thanks a lot, folks. I really appreciate it, and I'll be looking for your video posts, those of us in the group. All right, talk so long, bye-bye, see you real soon. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, you can give it a thumbs down, but you know, I would prefer a thumbs up. And do me a favor, if you really liked it, smack that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when I release new videos, give that bell a ring and set it to all. I don't release a lot of videos, so I won't be bugging you that much. Anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.